guys, kita lagi di Brayeun, mau berenang dulu, refreshing. Ayo!
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older.
Jadi berhubung kita udah selesai menyuruh royong, kita mau seru-seruan bareng mandi di Brayeun.
Kamu dengan Brayeun, punya mana? Najak.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Halo guys, kami lagi di Brayeun.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
Oke guys, itu keseruan hari ini sekian dulu. Buat yang baru datang channel ini, jangan lupa like, share, comment, dan subscribe. Thank you for watching the videos. Jangan lupa tersenyum hari ini. Dadah.